sitting on the corner of Sesame Street, eating my Burger King. When along come a dog on a Harley hog, looking right at me. We'll take a ride on my motorbike. We'll take a ride on my motorbike. We'll take a ride on my motorbike. You can stick your head out if you like. Well, I threw my whopper down. Yeah, I threw it right on the ground. Yeah, and I hopped down the back with the dog. We went cruising on his Harley hog. We'll take a ride on my motorbike. We'll take a ride on my motorbike. We'll take a ride on my motorbike. You can hold on loosely or hold on tight. Well, the sun was getting hot, so we pulled in the bar for a shot. There was a big man who wanted a fight, but the dog made him see the light. Take a ride on my motorbike. Take a ride on my motorbike. Take a ride on my motorbike. You can hold on loosely or hold on tight. We'll be headed on down the street, and then the dog smelled something in heat. There was a French pool showing off. He said, "This is where you get off." We'll take a ride on my motorbike. We'll take a ride on my motorbike. We'll take a ride on my motorbike. You can stick your head out